Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showcasing how you can add a really cool dynamic effect to a web page using image blocks and the color sections on the background of your website. So this is a demo site, and what we're looking at here as we scroll down is a couple different color combinations. And another thing I'm going to highlight is this little gap that we're seeing here, this inconsistency, tightening that up so that it's all one square grid. So the first thing that we're going to look at here is recreating one of these sections. So to do that, go ahead and click into edit mode, click into add section, and Squarespace has these pre-made sections already made for you, and I just selected under intro this one. Now, to toggle between the two or to recreate this, I'm just going to drag this over, highlight all of this media, and then drag that back over to the left. Okay. All right, make sure everything's flush. Perfect. Okay, lovely. So as you can see, we're actually just under a regular old section on a Squarespace page, and we're able to manipulate the background color by clicking the edit section, then the colors, and then selecting our yellow. Pretty cool. Okay, so another thing I wanted to showcase here is, I don't know if you can see it, but when I click save, and then we open up the screen into full page, we can actually see this tiny, tiny little gap here. I'm going to show you how to tighten that up. So go back into edit mode, hover over your section, click edit section, and then in the gap section here, this is the space either between or above different grid lines. You can click this little ellipses and hover over the area that you're looking at. This just helps you see the updates in real time. So basically we want to extend this over just that little tiny amount so that everything is flush. And to do that, we're actually going to reduce this horizontal width. And as you can see, when I reduce that, it brings it into alignment. Now we're going to do the same thing for the next section. Again, under gap, we're going to click these little three dots, and we're going to suck that right nice and tight against the other image. Beautiful. So now we can see we've added a quick intro section from Squarespace's pre-made layouts, 1. 2, we've selected a color to differentiate to make this really cool grid effect. And 3, we've tightened up the gap, the horizontal gap width to 0 on both sections so that images are touching each other. Awesome. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial. If you did, give me a like, give me a subscribe. My business is Coyote Moon. I am a Squarespace web design studio owner, and I would love to chat with you about your next project. Thank you.